What I Did on the Weekend by Jack Frew. On the weekend, I learned a very important lesson. I was walking in the park with my friend Tim, and I had to throw away a piece of trash. There was lots of other trash around the trash bin. And you know what I also don't like?
What?
I just hate it when I trip and then I just land in lots of mud. Oh, I gotta throw this candy wrapper away. Oops. Whoa, there's lots of trash. We better help clean up.
Yeah, we should.
You need help cleaning up?
Yes, please.
Let's help clean up. Looks like fun.
Hooray! Yay! More people are helping! That was amazingly quick. And so I learned that everybody can make a difference, including you and me.
Great work, Jack. Any comments, class?
Ooh!
Yes, Ronald?
I didn't know the park was that dirty. I'm glad you and your friends cleaned it up.